All right, we move on. Have you ever thought about preparing your home to make it conducive to your needs as you age? So we've invited geriatric physiotherapist, Dr. Raejean Porter, to tell us some more about this morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thank you for having me.
First thing is, how come a 13-year-old like you involved in all this old people thing? Why the specialization in that?
Early out in my career, I just found that geriatric physiotherapy called to me. It's so going into physical therapy itself, I didn't know that there was a specialty in geriatrics, but as I began to, deal with my older adult patients, then it felt like a calling, and it only felt right for me to.
Okay, so you're a doctor of physiotherapy.
Correct.
Which is incredible. Are there special needs for the older people just because they get older, or not necessarily?
Yes. So how I like to put it sometimes is that just how we make arrangements in the home when you have children and when they become toddlers and versus preteens. So it's just adapting how you are in life or where you are in life and how your environment can best be conducive to that.
Yeah, so when you get older, you don't necessarily want to be climbing stairs and you don't want slippery surfaces, so you'll have to change out your tiles and stuff. So is that what we're talking about?
Yes, to an extent, but it's good to think of it as on a personal level. So it's never always a one-size-fits-all. So I have had 95-year-old patients who find it okay to go up the stairs. They're not suffering from osteoarthritis, anything like that. So it is looking at where you are now, what kind of comorbidities you are flagged for, and how we can best equip your environment to help you to age.
And comorbidities mean you might end up having some kind of disease that might, inhibit you from doing certain things.
Exactly.
All right, we have some headlines here and you could talk me through it. First one is entry. Talk to me about that. You don't want any stairs and stuff or what?